Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, orange color, purple color, white color, yellow color, dark blue color, black color, dark green color. Today we'll learn some alphabets A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. L for lemon. T for train. B for books. J for juice. F for frog. C for candy. O for ox. S for strawberry. D for doll. H for horse. Y for yam. E for elephant. M for moon. U for universe. G for goat. I for ice cream. K for king. N for net. P for parrot. X for X-ray. Q for queen. Z for zipper. R for rainbow. V for violin. W for water. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. Let's learn some colors name. Red color, violet color, sky blue color, black color, dark blue color, light green color, dark green color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, orange color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. A for aeroplane. B for blueberry. C for cake. D for doll. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for insect. J for jellyfish. K for kiwi. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nuts. O for ox. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for toy. U for universe. V for van. W for wax. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zero. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.